Hello guys, welcome to my Andrew Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video what is Instagram thread and how to create a Instagram thread account. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you don't know about Instagram thread and how to create Instagram thread account, I will show you in this video. First of all, you have to know what is Instagram thread. Instagram thread is just like as Twitter. Instagram owner Mark Zuckerberg has launched a new application like Twitter, which is called as Instagram thread. For that, if you want to create this Instagram thread account, you just need to open the Play Store and type here Instagram thread. You can see here thread and Instagram app. Just tap on this, just tap on install. After that, just tap on open. It will ask to log in with your Instagram ID. Just select. You can write your name. If you want to change the name from your Instagram, you want to add a new name, you can just write it here. After that, just tap on import from Instagram and tap on continue. Tap on continue again. Just you can see here arrow mark, just tap on this, tap on join threads, tap on allow. Guys, you can see you have successfully created Instagram thread account. That's it guys. So in this way you can create Instagram thread account. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.